expecting this subject to be the big teacher class of this semester. Instead of the usual routine na learning how to check in a guest or serve a meal, feeling ko dito natin matututunan how to actually be in charge in organization. I'm really looking forward to understand how those giant hotel chains and travel companies stay ahead of their competitors. Like, bakit ba sila nag-o-open sa specific na country or why do they suddenly change their entire brand? I also expect to learn some survival skills for the business world, especially how to spot trends bago pa man sila mag-viral, and how to handle a crisis. Most of all, I hope hindi lang siya pure theory or puro basa. I'm really expecting to look at real-life cases of famous companies para makita natin what success and failure actually look like in real life. It feels like this is the class where we stop being just staff and finally start thinking like bosses.